thing I ask of the Lord. This is what I seek. That I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to gaze upon the beauty of the Lord. Sino po dito yung gusto nyo kahit nasa lupa pa lang tayo, nag-gaze na natin yung kagandahan ng Diyos? Sino po dito yung for 3 days, nakita nyo yung glory, yung beauty, yung wonderful face ng Lord? Amen. Kahit hindi po natin nakikita with our physical eyes, in our heart of hearts, we can see Him. Because this is what we seek. This is what we love. This is what we long for. In His presence, dwelling in His presence forevermore. Allow me to share this song na kinumpose ko ni Pastor Joey here in Taiwan. Very special song for all of us. Nais kong mamasdan ang iyong kagandahan. Nais kong manahan sa piling mo kailanman. Ang ibigin kang siyang nais ko, ang sambahin ka, ang siyang mithi ko. Hindi nalalayo, hindi nalalayo ang pangako ko. Yun po ba yung pangako dito sa earth? Isan pa po? Nais kong mamasdan ang iyong kagandahan. Nais kong manahan sa piling mo kailanman. Ang ibigin kang siyang nais ko, ang sambahin ka, ang siyang mithi ko. Hindi nalalayo, hindi nalalayo ang pangako ko. Sa piling mo'y nakakawi ang pangamba. Sa piling mo'y lubos ang pag-asa. Sa piling mo, galang ay umaapaw. Sa piling mo, oh Diyos, sa piling mo.
Hindi ko po alam ang pangangailangan nila. Yung kailangan po nila yung inyong paghipo. Hindi man karapat-dapat ay masabi namin gamitin mo kami to bless these people. Even as I deliver a short message, allow me just to deliver it, not with enticing words of one's wisdom. My only prayer and the desire of my heart is that magawa ko po ang gusto niyo. Father, I pray that do not allow a single person who came today and part of this conference to leave this conference untouched. I pray none will leave discouraged. None will leave the place sick. I believe that as we end and as we depart this place, Lord, in this place, as we depart in this place, Lord, lalabas kami blessed, revived, restored, changed. Yeah!